But I was just being creative, doing some shit that I never done before. But I would actually fix the thumbnail if I can. I would replace the thumbnail and put another thumbnail, but it's going to be the same thing but quite different. I was thinking of another style where I would actually show smoke like this, then put a subscribe button. But unfortunately, you feel me, I had to do one of the YouTube thumbnails, you feel me, the fake thumbnails, if I would say. It's not fake, but for me, some of the things are not being used by me, you feel me, yeah. But it doesn't matter like that. We're not talking about that right now, but we're talking about the process, you feel me. I know some people who are knocked out now and they are not even watching the video, because it's possible, dog. I wouldn't sit here and watch a nigga talk for almost 1 hour, yo, for no reason. That's the reason why I don't record videos anymore, because of that. But unfortunately, I will actually edit this video for actually 4 hours to make sure that everything is in contact. The audio, sound, everything must be in contact, you feel me. Everyone must be engaged to watch this video, you feel me. But anyways, let's go on to the brush session. It's been 2 days since I didn't brush my hair, which is quite shocking. I think brushing changes the whole, you feel me, feel of how your head looks, you feel me. If your hair looks like this, after 2.5 seconds after brushing, you'll be a totally different waver, you feel me. I think the only thing I should do is right now is actually hold the mic while brushing. There's no background sound in my area, so, but sometimes there is background sound, so I would actually need this mic. But right now I just need something that can be closer to me and you can hear me only. Even though there's something around me making noise, you can actually hear me only, feel me. You don't capture any sound except my sound. Some of the people will be shocked. Hey yo, what kind of thumbnail is this now, dog? Nah, it's just a basic thumbnail. It was a basic thumbnail, but there's this feature that I didn't know about, you feel me. I saw it on this app that I'm editing the photos in. I was like, yo, there's this feature here and it can actually take part of your face.
If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Basically, everyone is new, so make sure to hit the subscribe button. Let's get to 300 subscribers. This was a motivation video to tell you all, yo, let's subscribe, and to motivate myself to keep uploading, you feel me? Keep going live every day. But anyways, after I'm done here talking, you feel me, you're just going to see clips of me actually continuing brushing and talking, you feel me. If you want to watch that until the end, please watch until the end. Let me get those watch hours, you feel me. But if you're not interested in continuing and watching the video anymore, it's fine, you can stop here. This is a stopping point where you would actually get out. But if you just want to let the video play, let me talk and actually brush for actually 5 minutes, if you want to watch that, you can continue watching, you feel me. But this is the end of the video, if I would say right now, for some people who are not used to watching a 10-minute video. But anyways, yeah, subscribe, you feel me? And leave a like, you feel me? 5 likes, the next video will be alien shit, you feel me? Yeah.
You feel me? And all that, you feel me? And progress, you feel me? Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. I know that's a long journey, but yeah, you feel me? Let's go, you feel me? We're at 50 something subscribers last year, but this year we're going hard, you feel me? Going live every day, Monday to Friday, Saturday and Sunday. I'll actually record videos if I could, but let's brush. One thing I noticed right now is my hair is ripping off. My hair is ripping off totally. I'll need some more moisture, you feel me? I think I should wash my hair, I think tomorrow or today. I don't actually know, but I did wash my hair on Wednesday, so Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I'm washing my hair on Monday, so stay tuned. Tomorrow I'm washing my hair. As you receive this video, just know tomorrow I'm washing my hair. Tomorrow afternoon, you feel me? I'll be washing my hair between 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. I'll be washing my hair tomorrow. But in the morning, check me live. I'll be doing a basic transition. I know the mirror, it doesn't look that good, but you feel me? Forget about it, bro. Let's just brush. Yo, I think I should wash this mirror. If you could say it. yo, I need to wash it, yo. It's been a long time since I did actually use this mirror so much, you know, because I actually do brush sessions every day, but I don't actually focus on brushing at the back. Mostly. Ooh. I'm not going to cap my car. Hey, what am I saying? My crown is looking dope. You feel me? My crown is back. You feel me? As you could say. I could make a video wave G's back. You feel me? I'm back with the waves.
So yo, this motherfucking featured, as you can see, the crown is looking dope. Yeah, let's check it out, you feel me?
I think my crown is looking dope. Okay, I'm not sure, but I think it's looking fine, if I would say. I'm just showing the results here, you feel me? I think I want to end this transition, but I would have to do with the soft brush and put on moisture. I'm not used to recording anymore, but I'm just recording today, so yeah, that's how it goes. By now I think I would have to, after here, I would have to sit down, think of a video. Then Monday or Tuesday, there's a video coming out. I would have to create the thumbnail thing today. I think I would have to shoot today, then I'll create the thumbnail tomorrow. But I think there's another video that might be helpful to people that want to start off waves. You feel me? I already did 3 videos: how to get waves without a durag, how to get waves without a brush, how to get waves without products, how to get waves without a wave cap. You know, so I did 4 or 5 videos how to get waves without. Yeah,